Hi, this is Traff again. We're going to talk about purchasing a firearm, say a handgun. In California, all handguns, rifles, shotguns will now be treated the same starting January 1st. You will have to go through a background check. You will have to have a basic safety card to purchase all types of firearms now instead of just handguns. So as you go into the store, they're going to be asking for some very simple things. They're going to be asking for your California ID. They're going to be asking for a utility bill in your name or a governmental tax record or something that shows that you actually do have residency in the state. In addition, they're going to be asking for a basic handgun safety card or a basic rifle shotgun safety card. They haven't put that yet out in a format, a booklet yet that we can have seen, but it usually takes them a little while to chapter it and get all the training materials and everything. So the shops will actually be kind of winging it for a little bit using the original handbook, and we will see how well it works as you go out to buy a firearm. It's a very simple process in that you show up and you lay down money, and they have everything figured out for you. They'll walk you through it a step at a time. But you have to be able to comply with the law. Before this gun leaves the shop, you will have some type of safety device that goes with it to ensure that it's safe. Most likely a cable lock that runs through here or runs through here, either in the frame or in the cylinder to disable the gun. That's required by California law. Or that either, if you have a safe, you could buy a safe there. There are many safes that would fit this handgun fine. You could do that. Or if you sign an affidavit that says you have a gun safe, or your husband has a gun safe, or your wife has a gun safe, or your mother has a gun safe, you have a gun safe at home that it can be secured in. Those are all things you're going to have to walk through and decide pretty much before you take the gun home. Remember, there's a 10-day waiting period for any firearm purchase in California. It is the law. So you have about 10 days to make that determination. When you pick it up, you will have to have that in place, whether it's a trigger lock, a frame lock, or whether it's a box lock. Most likely they will require you to take a California approved locking system home with you, and they will charge you a fairly small fee, usually less than $10, for the approved cable lock that goes with your gun. If the manufacturer sells one with the firearm, good and well. If it's California approved, they may let you go with that one. If the manufacturer does not include it, you will have to pay extra. Those are some of the things you have to think about. If you've never gotten a basic handgun safety or basic rifle or shotgun safety course, they can give you the books right there to train with, to read up on, so that you can get your card. I suggest, however, that after you're reading it, if you have any questions, find a trainer who can give you some basic guidelines and give you some hands-on time with a weapon so that you can prove that the type of weapon you are going to have to not only pass the test on, but do a physical manipulation. You're going to have to show that you can be safe. Can you open the weapon? Can you make the weapon go bang? Can you make sure you're not pointing it at anything you don't want to destroy or kill, including the salespeople? They don't like that very much. There's a number of things you're going to have to actually show them, load, unload on a weapon before you walk out the door. If you can't do that, then you need to start your training before you decide to buy a handgun or a rifle or a shotgun. The more trained you are going into the situation, the better you are. Well, if you liked the video, give me a like. Visit us on our website. Our passion is training and making sure that people are safe. Thank you.